Hello everyone. Today, we are tackling a common problem in Android Studio. It's the frustrating unknown error you might encounter when using the Google API's Intel x86 Atom system image. Let's get right into troubleshooting this so you can get back to developing. First, let's ensure you have the latest version of the Android SDK. Open Android Studio. Go to SDK Manager through Tools, then SDK Manager. Check if there are any updates available under the SDK Platforms and SDK Tools tabs. Install all pending updates. Sometimes, outdated SDK components cause compatibility issues. Next, try invalidating caches and restarting Android Studio. This can clear out corrupted files that might be causing the error. Go to File, then Invalidate Caches/Restart. And choose Invalidate and Restart. Now, let's check your x86 installation. x86 or Hardware Accelerated Execution Manager is crucial for fast emulation. Make sure x86 is properly installed and configured. You can find x86 under SDK Tools in the SDK Manager. If it's not installed, install it. If it is installed, try reinstalling it. Also, make sure virtualization is enabled in your BIOS settings. This is often overlooked. Restart your computer and enter your BIOS setup, usually by pressing Delete, F2, or F12 during startup. Look for virtualization settings like Intel Virtualization Technology, VTX, or AMDV. Enable it and save the changes. Now, let's try creating a new AVD, Android Virtual Device. Sometimes, the existing AVD might be corrupted. In Android Studio, go to AVD Manager. Create a new AVD using the Google API's Intel x86 Atom system image. Choose a different API level than the one you were previously using. This can sometimes resolve conflicts. Another potential issue is insufficient disk space. Android emulators require a significant amount of space. Ensure you have enough free space on your hard drive, especially on the drive where Android Studio is installed. A common workaround involves explicitly setting the emulator's memory allocation. Open the AVD Manager. Edit your AVD. Click on Show Advanced Settings. Look for memory and try increasing the RAM allocated to the emulator. A higher RAM allocation may solve the issue. Finally, check for conflicting processes that might be interfering with the emulator. Close any other emulators or virtual machines that are running. Disable any antivirus software temporarily to see if it's causing the problem. If none of these solutions work, consider reporting the issue on the Android Studio Bug Tracker. Include detailed information about your system configuration and the steps you've taken to troubleshoot the problem. Hopefully, one of these solutions has resolved your unknown error. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel for more Android development tips and tricks. Your support helps me create more content like this. Also, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below.